We'll guide you through how to make 3D text in Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating 3D text effects enhances visual appeal for social media posts, thumbnails, and design projects. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗏. Press Enter. Wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr. Once the workspace appears, click Open Image and import your background file. Then wait until it fully loads on the canvas before continuing. After that, select the text tool and click anywhere on the canvas to create a text box. Then type your desired text. Choose a bold font style to make the effect more visible, and set your main color according to your design preference. Next, go to the Layers panel, duplicate the text layer, and rename the bottom copy as 3D base so it is easy to identify. Select the bottom layer and change its color to a darker or contrasting shade. Switch to the Move tool and move this bottom layer slightly down and to the right to begin forming the depth effect. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the moved layer. Then repeat the same movement direction with each new duplicate. Continue duplicating and moving in small, consistent steps to build a smooth depth effect. Do this multiple times until the stacked layers create a clear, three-dimensional appearance. Once satisfied, select all the depth layers you created and merge them into a single layer, while keeping the top text layer unchanged as the main text. After merging, add a drop shadow effect to the main text layer and adjust the blur and opacity settings to enhance realism. Optionally, you can also add an outer glow effect for extra emphasis. Finally, fine-tune the colors and position of all elements to balance the composition. Then save or export your finished design in your preferred format. You can zoom in to check alignment more precisely and adjust any misplaced layers before merging them. If needed, experiment with different color combinations between the main text and the depth layers to achieve a more striking visual result.